Hello everyone.
And welcome to this week's episode of The Eagle's Eye.
So as you can see, we're on the floor, and I probably look really boxy right now because I'm just a giant twig.
Okay, but anyways, we're being lazy and laying on the floor. Why are we laying on the floor, Ben?
Because we're going to be laying on the floor, practically dying when it's midterms week.
I will be dead after midterms week. I am not ready. Are you?
I mean, like, I'm ready, but I'm just not ready for it.
I'm not ready. So, it's different, or it's the same this year, right? Or is it different?
It's kind of the same this year. So, like, you take 2 midterms each day during midterms week.
Okay.
There's Martin Luther King Day, so they technically start Tuesday.
Okay.
And then you have 2 each day, and then we get out early.
What's early?
Early? It's not like early dismissal. It's, like, a little later. It's, like, 12:50-ish.
Okay. Do we still go to lunches those days? Because I know I'm going to be hungry after midterms.
Yeah, we still go to lunches because you technically have to go to lunches to make it an official school day.
Okay.
So, but you are going to have periods 5 and 6 every day.
Every day. I like 5 and 6. I'm okay with that.
I like 5.
I like 6. 5 is okay.
5, I have library science. 6, I have English. So, like, library science is fun. I like that. But 6th is English. So, not that I have anything against English.
He has something against it. But anyways, we have more information about midterms other than we just gave you. So why don't you go check out that interview?
Hi everyone, I'm Ben Detweiler, and I'm joined today with Mr. Brenner to talk about the midterm testing. So thanks for being here, Mr. Brenner.
Thank you for having.
All right, so when are midterms this year?
Midterms will start on the 20th of January, so we're off for Martin Luther King's birthday on the 19th, and then that week, Tuesday through Friday, is when midterms are.
All right, what will the schedule look like?
Schedule is we're going to have 2 periods a day, and then lunches. So for Tuesday, we're going to have periods 1 and 2, and then we'll have lunches. Then on Wednesday, it'll be periods 3, 4 and lunches, then 5, 6 and lunches, and 7 and 8 on Friday with our lunch periods.
All right, and you said there's only 2 periods, so does that mean that we'll be having an early dismissal?
That does mean we'll be having an early
Ooh.
dismissal. Yes, everybody. And so we figure if you're taking 2 tests a day, or you know, because midterms now count. They're 10% of your grade. So they're very important. So we want you to study. We want you to prepare for them. So by giving you the early dismissals each of those 4 days, we're hoping that that's how people will use their time. All
right, and is there any way of saying which classes have midterms?
Pretty much every class is going to have a midterm, some type of midterm. There are very few classes that will not have midterms.
All right.
You can pretty much check with your teacher, but count on having a midterm in the class.
Okay, what advice do you have to a student who needs to focus on midterms?
If your grade is questionable, this could make or break your grade for the second marking period. And if you're in a semester class, this could make or break your grade for the half credit. So my advice to you would be to prepare for the midterms. I know teachers are going to be reviewing what's on the midterm, so prepare for the midterm, study for the midterm. You can't do it by osmosis. You're going to have to do a little work, so study, prepare, and do well.
All right, is there anything else that you would like to add?
It's 10% of your grade, so this is the second year that we're doing this, so it's important, and you need to do well. So good luck, everybody.
All right, and what caused the change in midterms?
We wanted to put some bite in some teeth into your midterm and final grades, and make them count, and more importantly with high-stakes testing now in the state of Pennsylvania, with Keystone exams, with SATs, this is the new education. So it's important that you are exposed to exams that are rigorous, that take time. The AP exam, another one, that are of this nature. So that's the reasoning.
All right, well, thanks for being here today.
Thanks for having me.
I'm Ben Detweiler, and I just talked with Mr. Brenner about midterm testing. Make sure you study up. Now back to the Eagle's Eye.